In this lesson, we are going to combine like terms and provide evidence of equivalence with the expressions with exponents. So these expressions have exponents, and we're just going to show proof because there are some common errors with the exponents when you go to use them as operations, as operators. So let's box our terms first. 3x squared plus x squared plus 5 plus 6. This number seems to not have a coefficient, so let's put 1 there. So 3x squared plus 1x squared is 4x squared. And plus 5 and plus 1 are plus 6. Now remember, what this is really about is taking this first expression and simplifying it to create this second expression. So the expression's 3x squared plus x squared plus 5 plus 1. So this whole thing, remember, is an expression. And 4x squared plus 6, this expression, are equivalent. They just look different. So let's go ahead and show proof. Before we do that, let's decide what x is going to be, or what we want to substitute in. Now remember, x can be any number. But what we want to do is stay away from 0, because sometimes 0 gets finicky because it makes a bunch of things 0. And let's try to stay away from 1. So let's use 4. X equals 4. As long as you're not always using the same one and you're staying away from 0 and 1 for now, we're good. So 3, since it's so long, I'm just going to substitute already. 3 times 4 squared, right here, 4, plus 1 times 4 squared plus 5 plus 1 should be equivalent to 4 times, remember x is 4 squared plus 6. Remember, all I did was put 4, substitute 4 in here, and here, and in here. As always, we do order of operations. We do PEMDAS. Nothing inside of parentheses is left for us to do, but we do have some exponents. So 4 to the second power, 4 squared, is not 4 times 2. Remember, that's 4 times 4 is 16. Now I'm still not done. I still have an exponent here. 4 times 4, positive 4 times positive 4 is 16. Now I'm going to do my multiplication. So we're done with the exponents. Multiplication, division, left to right. So I'm just going to do both of these at the same time in the same line. So 3 times 16 is 48. And a positive times a positive is a positive 16 plus 5 plus 1. 48 plus 16 is 64 plus 5 plus 1. I'm just going to add those together. 64 plus 5 is 69 plus 1 is 70. So all that work, it should be a little quicker over here. So remember, nothing inside parentheses, exponents. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 16, well, 4 times 10 is 40. 4 times 6 is 24. So 4 times 16 is 64. And you see how it cut all the way down here instead of doing all that work? And plus 6 is 70.